Large floods in Europe have washed away houses and cars.
Dad, where do those floods come from?
Oh, it's just the rain. Can't do anything about that.
Just the rain? Whoa! What's this? How did I get here?
The problem isn't just the rain.
You can talk?
It's how we manage the rain that matters most.
Whoa! Look at that heavy rain!
Exactly. Extreme rain is on the rise, so trouble ahead. Look at how the water flows from high to low, faster through canals and over roads and fields, causing floods.
But what can we do?
Well, what if we slow the flow by restoring land to absorb water?
Like a sponge!
Yes, natural sponges hold back water and release it slowly, protecting us from both floods and droughts. We can restore them in many countries. And that's how we climate-proof Europe.
Ah, very interesting.
Like a sponge. Maybe there is something we can do about it.
Dad!